Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Roblox, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. After that you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here. Then you can click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on it again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. If you'll find here update, you can click to update your app on in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.